G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make hot dog French toast roll-ups. These are so yummy. Let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Now for this, get some white bread. It works better with that. Just cut off the crusts. Now get a rolling pin and flatten this out. Now apply some tomato sauce. Or ketchup if that's what you use on your hot dogs. Spread it over. Then get some mustard. I'm using American mustard. You can spread it, or I just like to put a couple of globs around the place. Now you can put a little bit of cheese in there too. So we just roll it. Oh yeah. Now put a couple of eggs in a bowl, a little bit of milk. Just mix this together. Now just add to here and fry. So it should only take a couple of minutes to get this all sides fried, 2 to 3 minutes, and just make sure that you use, well, you can use whatever you want. Just heat the pan beforehand with some butter or oil, coconut oil, whatever you want. This is, so good. Some little invention I came up with some years ago. Well, I hope you like these. These are so good. Oh. That was awesome. Really hot, but awesome. Oh. See I've just broken it a bit there. See the cheese? Oh, yummy! See you next time for my next meal. Oh.
Simple